1. Freelance writing. Starting a freelance writing business requires no upfront investment and is a great way to earn money in Pakistan and other countries. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject matter, you can offer online tutoring services and make money without any investment. 3. Online consulting. If you have experience in a particular field, you can offer online consulting services for businesses and individuals in Pakistan and other countries. 4. Social media consulting. With the growing popularity of social media, there are plenty of opportunities to offer consulting services to businesses looking to maximize their presence online. 5. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and monetize it without any upfront investment. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online without any investment. All you need to do is promote products from other companies and earn a commission for each sale. 7. Virtual assistant. If you have administrative skills, you can offer virtual assistant services to businesses and earn money without any investment. 8. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject matter, you can create online courses and offer them to people in Pakistan and other countries. 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great way to run an online business without any upfront investment. All you need to do is find a supplier who will store and ship the product. 10. Content marketing. Content marketing is one of the best ways to generate organic traffic to your website without any investment. You can create blog posts, videos, and other content to drive traffic to your website and earn money.